Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to install the more players model for Minecraft 1.6.4. Let me just get this. Oh god, I really shouldn't have done this, should I? But let me just get the things out. And more player model, where are you? Hello. It doesn't matter. Roaming, Minecraft, mods, okay. First, you will have to download Minecraft Forge. Okay, let's get our Minecraft Forge out. Minecraft Forge, where are you? 1.6.4. I normally get the recommended version, not the latest. Get the recommended. I will put the link to the mod and Minecraft Forge in the description. If you guys are lazy and you want just the links like I like them. So, you click on the Minecraft Forge and open it. You wait for the loading screen and you should get this pop up. Click on install client and press OK and let this download. Let that install. There you go, successfully installed. And then you can run Minecraft once if you want, but I've already installed Minecraft Forge, so it doesn't really matter. And so put that to the side, and now let's install the actual mod. Go into your roaming folder, .minecraft, and after you have run the Minecraft Forge and Minecraft, you should get a mods folder. If you don't, just create one and drag your more player models into here, and then you're basically done. So now go to Minecraft, open it up, wait for it to start. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Look, it should come up with this, so just press play and go down to Forge option and press play. Wait for this to load. Come on, load. I'm sorry about the bad speed. I do have an old computer, so sorry about that. But for some reason it's just being really slow now that I'm recording. It just has to be, doesn't it? Stupid. Load. Okay, when it is loaded, wait, it's still loading. Okay, when it gets to this screen, click on the mods folder and look, more player models version 2, right here. I'm going to single player, create a new world or whatever, just to show you that it actually works. Go on. Okay. Now press F6. Now press F6 to get this up, and then you can change what you look like. Like, these are all the different things: a bat, a blaze, a cave spider, and just loads of other little things. You can be a snowman, there's an iron golem, a wither boss, you can be one of those. I think there's a giant, a ghast, a horse, an ender dragon. Oh, let's be the ender dragon. And for the ender dragon, look at the top and you should have your name. Go into F5 mode And look at me, I am an ender dragon. You can fly across the land and do the actual animations. That's really cool. So thank you guys for watching. This has been a how-to video on how to install Minecraft player models for 1.6.4. Yeah. If you like this video, of course, give it a like, a thumbs up, and comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. This has been my first how-to video. I hope, give me some comments if you think it was good, and tell me if you know where I can improve on everything. I take negative and positive comments in all of it. So I will see you all next time, hopefully. Goodbye.